Let's be brutally honest. The AI video market right now is a complete scam. Every time you search for a free generator, you hit a paywall, a hidden subscription, or you run out of tokens in 2 minutes. I got sick of it. So I spent the last week testing every single tool on the internet to find the ones that actually delivered. Today, I'm giving you the top 3 AI video generators that are 100% free with 0 watermarks. We're going to start with 2 absolute powerhouses you can use right now. But whatever you do not skip tool number 3. It's a developer backdoor that completely bypasses GPU limits, giving you infinite premium generations. Let's get into it. Alright, tool number 1. If you're completely sick of creating accounts, dealing with hidden tokens, or hitting a paywall after 2 generations, Vheer is your starting line. It's completely free, and you don't even need to sign up. We're doing a quick speed run here. Go to text to image. Make sure you select the free quality model, not the premium ones. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit generate. Boom, image done. Now, send that straight to image to video. Now, pay attention, because here's why Vheer actually works while other free tools fail. Most free generators force you to cram your action and your camera movement into one single prompt. That confuses the AI. Vheer separates them. You have one box for the action and a separate box for the camera control. This is huge for getting clean results. And if you don't want to type, just hit this light bulb icon. It automatically analyzes your image and writes the perfect prompt for you. For the camera, just type slow dolly zoom, leave the default settings, and generate. Here's the final result. Look, I'm going to be brutally honest with you. It's not perfect. It still has that slight 3D render vibe, and if you push it too hard on human faces, you'll get some morphing. But for a 0 login, unlimited free generator, it's incredibly solid for B-roll or product shots. But what if you need actual photorealism? What if you need something that looks like it was shot on a cinema camera without paying a dime? That's where we need to upgrade. Let's move to tool number 2, which is made by a massive tech giant you already know. Alright, let's talk about tool number 2. And this one comes from a multi-billion-dollar giant, Meta AI. You probably use their apps every day, but what you might not know is that they're quietly giving away their top-tier video generator for absolutely free. And the best part? 0 watermarks. Now, if you've ever used free AI, you know the ultimate test is hands and drawing. Most free tools completely fall apart and turn into a glitchy mess. Let's push Meta to its limits. I'm throwing in a prompt for a photorealistic pencil sketch. We get our images. Now all we do is click, animate. Watch this. Look at the consistency. It's actually drawing. The texture of the paper, the shadows, the movement of the pencil. To get this level of stability without paying a monthly subscription is insane. But here's the real cheat code. Let's say you're feeling lazy and don't want to write complex prompts. Meta has a public feed. You can scroll through what other people are making, find a cinematic shot you like, and just hit this remix button. You literally steal their settings, change one word to fit your project, and generate a brand new video in seconds. It's the ultimate shortcut. So Meta AI is a powerhouse, but it has a catch. It's built for very short, quick animations. What if you need to generate longer scenes, complex storytelling, and you want absolutely 0 restrictions on how much you can create? That brings us to tool number 3. This is the loophole that 99% of people don't know about. Alright, tool number 3. This isn't just another commercial website, this is the backdoor. Welcome to Hugging Face. Think of it as the GitHub of AI. This is where developers test massive billion-parameter models like 1, 2.2, long before companies lock them behind a $20 paywall. The interface looks a bit technical, but I'm going to walk you through the exact setup. Go up to the top menu and click on Spaces. Now, here is the absolute secret to keeping this 100% free. Click on Filters and under Hardware, check the box for 0 GPU. This guarantees you are using free compute power. In the search bar, type WAN. You'll see a bunch of experimental versions, but we want stability. We're choosing the fast model right here. Look at the community rating, almost 3,000 likes. That's our green light. Let's give it the ultimate physics test. I'm dropping in an image of a cat taking a selfie on a surfboard. We're asking the AI to calculate water dynamics, fur, and glass reflections all at once. Hit generate. Look at this output. The water movement is completely insane for a free model. Now, a quick pro tip. Because you are using public developer servers, you might eventually hit a GPU quota limit if you generate a ton of videos in a row. If you ever see an error message, don't panic. It's just a basic IP block. Here is the bypass. Open your VPN, switch to any other server, and open a new incognito tab. Your quota is completely reset to 0. You now have an infinite loop of premium AI video generation.